It's recording now because you got the red light on. You bloody idiot, yo.
Bastard.
I'm a gorgeous cunt, you know. Oh, I'm Mrs. Fenlon. You see Michael and Phillips, Phil?
You're?
Michael and Phillips.
So what's happening then, Mez? Mez, what's happening then?
Well, Pete Crad's got arrested and we're waiting for him to go home.
He's been security arrested.
Not properly arrested.
Not properly arrested. Security have arrested him and took him in that building, and Dean's his solicitor for the day.
Because he's a fucking bull.
Because he beat up a...
He's foolish.
We all beat up...
A little scouse.
We all beat up a lad, and then when we had him out in the open, Pete Crad decided to headbutt him. Good move, smart move, in front of everyone, all the security. So now he's in there having his rights read, and Dean's his solicitor. And there's an idiot.
Come on. Are you looking upon?
Too much speed, that isn't it?
Slut,
come here!
Hello, yo!
Slut, come here.
What?
She ain't gonna come here and call a slut, is she?
Green cat!
Whoa, go on, hand!
Go get there, Crad.
Phone number? Go get the phone number, Crad.
You look!
Oh, you nutsy bastard!
Go on!
Go on!
Go on! I'm showing Tash this.
What?
She ain't gone.
She's coming. Phone number?
What is it? Andy, why didn't you just move the gate?
I'm showing Tash.
number! number! Andy, what?
Not for you, anyway.
Yeah, we want to know. Fuck off, you dog! Andy, who's it for?
Hey!
Probably walk round the corner.
Just come up and go, whoop! He's got a girlfriend, any lads?
Yeah, that's not right.
Andy Crad thinks he's slick as
Fair play! You told me to get down there.
Yeah.
I'm slick.
So look at it.
Fucking hell, mate.
Yeah, Crad.
Claire Blonde, 021 Birmingham.
Demelza?
Claire 021 Birmingham.
That's Melza, you idiot!
The meal is
She ain't from fucking Dudley after Floyd. Floyd was dead, she was.
From Spabby.
You rat face.
Put it on the bus, lads. It's on top. Get out there. Get on the blue bus, there, look.
I can't see him.
There on the blue bus.
The end,
At the back.
the back.
Film them.
Second back window.
No, folk. Just do some actions. No, folk.
Just you could sell that film for good money.